In this video, we will demonstrate how to wrap a hand. Here are the things you will need: scissors to cut your dressing, 4x4 gauze squares, 2-inch gauze rolls, and your primary dressing. In this example, we are using Mepitel, but you may be working with a different primary dressing over your own wound. Begin by placing your primary dressing over the entirety of your wound, making sure all the damaged skin is protected. Once the primary dressing is in place, we can begin with applying our gauze. To cover the back of the hand or the palm area, take a sheet of your 4x4 gauze strip and cut out a thumb hole. Place your thumb through this hole and wrap the gauze around your hand. Take another 4x4 gauze strip and cut a square out for each injured finger. It is important to note that each layer of gauze is pressed down firmly between the fingers to prevent the fingers from becoming webbed. Take your 2-inch gauze roll and begin by wrapping around the wrist with the opening of the gauze facing you. Wrap around the wrist twice to anchor the gauze securely. Starting with the thumb, we will begin at the top of the finger. Start at the tip of the fingers and work your way down to the base. Do not wrap too tightly or too much, especially at the bottom of the fingers, since we want to avoid any webbing or loss of circulation. Bring the gauze roll over the back of the hand and wrap around the wrist in between each finger, and just repeat the process of wrapping from the finger's tip to the base. Tuck in or tape excess gauze so that it does not unravel. You can use another roll of gauze to make sure the dressing is secure and protected. The dressing should feel snug and comfortable. You should still be able to move your fingers and hand comfortably.